Hi, welcome to your Optimal Health Chiropractor. Today we're going to talk about the 4 ways that muscles can be injured and lead to fibrous adhesions that basically hold you back. One of the main systems that we evaluate is the vestibular system and all the things that feed into your brain that lead to the response. Your brain is like a breaker box and has special places for all the body parts. We talk about the kinetic chain and how the kinetic chain is all the way up from your feet to your head. We'll talk about the fascial planes and how the fascial planes are systems that help your brain understand where you are in space and helps your muscles to move correctly. Fascia wraps around every organ, every muscle fiber, everything, and all of the muscles get damaged in activity. There's different grades of muscle damage, and then all of that muscle damage ultimately leads back to scar tissues and adhesions that really hold you back. But other things that we do, like sitting all day at work, lead to a lot of problems. And then there's a lot of underlying things that are at the root of many disease problems. Most people don't know what metabolic syndrome is. And metabolic syndrome is something that can really greatly reduce your health and increase your risk for disease. Obesity puts a lot of weight on your joints and makes your organs work a lot harder. How you sit and how you stand with your posture, all of those things are very important in how they affect the way your spine works. Your spine has very complicated discs in between them that are designed to help keep your body in proper alignment. But over time, we can get kind of problems like herniations, bulging discs, thinning discs, and degenerative changes that happen from improper loading. One of the easiest places to see the degenerative changes is in the neck. And most of us have a forward head posture from using computers and phones. One of the other places that we can really see changes to the 3 normal foot types is in the feet, and that's due to overloading of the tissues. Plantar fasciitis is a condition where you get too much tension and pressure in the bottom of the foot, and it leads to ripping and tearing and scar tissue formation. It can even affect you as far away as your jaw. So what's the root cause of this? A lot of people don't associate bad footwear choices as being a contributing factor to why we have muscle problems and joint problems and back pain. But the shoes that we're wearing primarily today really aren't giving us the best support that we need. Many people, especially here in San Diego, love to wear flip-flops, and this shoe does not pass the shake test. If you have really stinky or hairy feet, I'm sorry, but we really won't be able to do anything to help you. Most people have heard of bunions before, and it's not just something that your grandma also had. It's the result of improper load forces, and you can have a lot of options for getting it fixed. One of the common things people do is get surgery. What we advocate here is we use a functional digital biomechanics analysis that allows us to show where the weight is distributed on your feet and how you shift that weight across your feet when you move in a dynamic way with your gait. And we're able to identify changes in pressure and where the loads have gotten off. And we provide a very comprehensive 2-page assessment report that kind of grades your overall function. So around here, we're really big into walking the talk. That means, what are the things that you can do besides just taking a walk every day? We use arthrostim tools that help break up the adhesions and restore proper communication to the brain. We use vibration and percussion tools. This is the vibracussor, and it really allows us to integrate the brain and the body again. We use chiropractic manipulations, and that can really help restore brain function and ranges of motion. We'll use soft tissue tools to remove those fibrous adhesions. And the ultimate goal of all of this is to restore balance in your life, because when you're in a state of balance, you have optimal health. And so we're here to support you, and we would love to get you back on track. So just remember, whenever you're thinking about things getting really bad, it's never, ever too late to restore your optimal health. So thank you so much for stopping by today. And remember, we are here to support you. Please give us a call to learn more. Thank you so much for stopping by, and have a wonderful day. This is your Optimal Health Chiropractor, Dr. Christopher D. McLean, signing out.